years na din ako dito sa Santa Lucia Marketing and I'm very grateful kasi since 2018 up until 2024, number one team tayo dito sa Iloilo. Dito, I celebrate lots of small wins, but I also have a fair share of mistakes, struggles, pains. From there, I learned a lot. It was in 2017 na nagka-problema ako. As a solo parent, I struggled financially. I prayed to God specifically to have a part-time. Sobrang happy ko nung na-meet ko si Santa Lucia kasi marami akong natulungan. At ang anak ko na pag-aral ko din sa private school. Naalala ko yung first sale ko is very remarkable talaga kasi gusto ng client super early, 7 a.m. And before wala pa akong service, wala pa akong sasakyan. Nag-tricycle pa ako. Yung nakita niya yung arrive ko, parang hindi masyadong ma-formal. Pero nakuha ko yung sale kasi yung sincerity ng pag-present, tama, at saka fit sa gusto niya. So, it was a successful sale. In-encourage ko din yung kapwa ko broker, salesperson, na mag-join sa Santa Lucia Marketing kasi dito malayo ang ating mararating.